Would you like to invest your money in cryptocurrencies and profit out of that? I know how hard it is to find a practical course where you can see actual investment and strategy to follow. So, I have decided to create such a course. Welcome to the brand new cryptocurrency investment course from me, Petko Alexandrov, Chief Trader and Investor. Thousands of students took my trading courses because I am a trader, and many ask me daily how to invest their savings and their money in cryptocurrencies because the profits there are more significant and things happen much faster compared to stocks, commodities and bonds. In this course, I put together the best strategy that I use to invest my savings into cryptocurrencies. Also, I will share with you what is my money management because this is the most important in investing. So you will stay with low risk and you will grow your capital steadily. More, I will teach you my strategy, where exactly I buy and where exactly I sell everything to take my profits. And the method I have created allows me never to take losses, just like the best investors. This is my job. I trade daily, I create new strategies, I test them a long time before I decide to include any in my courses because I want to be sure that my students will be profitable as well. This is why I am pretty sure that you're going to love this course, and if you don't for some reason, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. What's more, I have included practical activities, quiz, assignment and attached PDFs that will help you learn the investment strategy faster and easier. Once enrolled in the course, you will be granted a lifetime license for it. I am going to update the course regularly with more and more examples of actual investments I do, so you will stay informed what the current market condition is and what opportunities to look for. The course is also suitable for beginners. I will introduce you to investing, what are the principles, what is the difference between trading and investing, what platforms we use, the fees that we pay to the exchanges, and I will show you step by step how to analyze the cryptos, how I buy cryptocurrencies. Also, I'm going to share with you why I invest not in Bitcoin, but many other cryptocurrencies, and you will learn to diversify the risk to achieve stable results. My goal is to show you realistic investing, so if you decide to do it one day, you will have the knowledge, the skills, and the right course to refer to. Enroll today and learn to invest in cryptocurrencies as a professional.